Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a golf headlight bulb. First, ensure your golf cart is completely powered off and the key is removed for safety. Gather all the necessary tools, such as a screwdriver, a new bulb, and possibly a small wrench before you begin. Locate the headlight assembly on your golf cart, which is usually at the front. This preparation makes the process smooth and safe. Now, let's access the bulb. Begin by carefully removing any screws or clips that secure the headlight cover or lens. Once the cover is off, you will see the bulb. Gently detach the wiring harness connected to the old bulb, being mindful not to pull too hard. Then, twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing to remove it completely. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the new headlight bulb into the housing, ensuring it sits securely and correctly. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new bulb, making sure it clicks into place firmly. Finally, replace the headlight cover or lens and secure it with all the screws or clips you removed earlier. Once the new bulb is installed, turn on your golf cart and test the headlight to confirm it's working correctly. If needed, adjust the headlight's aim to ensure optimal visibility and proper illumination of the path ahead. This final check ensures your safety and compliance for your next ride. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals we've found for you, making sure you're prepared for anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.